Archbishop ebi abagambira ogwabera ari omukushaba hamwe n'okusibira obureberezi bwa Rwenzori ahari St John's Cathedral Kabarore omu rubuga Fort Portal obwo arimu nayetebekaniza okuhumura emirimo ye 2015 omu kwezi kwa munana omwaka ogurikwija.
It should be planned very well because like yesterday, for instance, our church in Kampala, we had many weddings beginning at 8, but it was a directive stop. And even some people were beaten by soldiers. It's a directive.
Kandi nikisemera kuteekanirizibwa kurungi muno.
Archbishop Kazimba agizire ng'ekiro ky'orwa mukaaga nikiteganisa ab'ediini y'Abadventi niko kushaba gavumenti okuronda izooba ritakuteganisa entebeekanisa z'eddiini.
Only that I would like to encourage and advise, if possible, to probably to have Thursday, because you can have Fridays for Muslims, Saturday for SDs, Sundays ours, so maybe Thursday would be neutral.
Nsonga y'ebyobuyonjo Archbishop Kazimba arabwira abatuura b'orubuga Fort Portal okukora n'amaani okugalizaho izina ryabo ery'okumanya nk'orubuga rukusingayo obuyonjo.
General cleaning of in Uganda, because Fort Portal was known as the most cleanest city in Uganda in the past.
Minisita w'ebyoburambuzi Tom Butume ari kugarukamu aha nsonga y'okuhindura ekiro ky'okuyonza agizire ngu terabaire ncwamu eyanguhi.
It's very difficult to change it. Very difficult. It can't be Thursday because public service standing orders. Thursday, everybody is expected. Government officers, isn't it? Government public officers are supposed to report on duty 8 o'clock.
Abanyadini ababebembirwe Bishop w'obureberezi bwa Rwenzori Right Reverend Reuben Kisembo Amoti ashabira Archbishop okushabira abari omu bihome na munonga abo bakwasirwa habe ebintu by'obutegeki.
There's congestion of many prisons, and some of these prisons they sleep in shifts, not prison but shifts. Another challenge is for many of them who spend many years in prison on remand.
The pain of families whose loved ones are in prison, including political opponents. We pray your grace that you continue praying for our nation because we are all Ugandans.
Abatuura hamwe n'abebembezi basimire Archbishop Kazimba akozire omu ihanga.
Reverend Robin Big Sembo, throughout his past office in the diocese, has emphasized this model to both priests and Christians.
Extend our heartfelt appreciation for your faithful service to God, the Church, and the people of Uganda. Your leadership has been characterized by humility, wisdom, integrity, and a steadfast commitment to the gospel.
Eizobe lya Archbishop naza kuza Bishop bari ya college kujigura mu butongore nkitendekero gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki.